Welcome back. We're headed out to the range today. Got a Savage bolt action 2.0 and a Marlin 444. We're going to zero that. The Savage has optical sights. I'm going to go through bore sighting and we'll get on paper through bore sighting, and then we'll make maybe one or two adjustments. We should be right on. We'll show that a lot of people struggle with sighting. And then the Marlin has a peep sight, has iron sights. So I'm going to go through how I do that and as few rounds as possible. Stay tuned. So I have the Savage 110 here today, and I had to make some, I had to make a shim for the rear base here. It's half round shim, but I'll link the other video where Bort did this. Just like the other day when I bore sighted this rifle. I have a target out there. I have a spot. I'll set this camera up on the telescope. I have the upper right hand corner. There's a square. I'm going to center in the bore, and then I'm going to align the crosshairs to that square. So I'm going to align the crosshairs to the upper right hand square, and then center that square in the bore. See what we got. I'm going to put it around at that upper right. Go to the bottom right corner of the upper right square. Looks like you got to go left a little. So now for this round, I'm going to hold the crosshairs where I aimed before, and then come over to that bullet hole. I made a correction. Put another round on target here. About an inch high there at 50. It's not a super accurate rifle. I'm going to check the action screws. I checked the base and the rings, but maybe it'll settle in. I think this one was the last shot maybe, but this was the first, and I made a move left. Yeah, let's see if we can get it to do better. Okay, I can tighten up the action screws. I'm going to put a few on the upper left corner now. Yeah, I went ahead and moved the sights a little bit right. I'm going to see if I can get them right on that lower right corner of that upper left square. Right Right on the point of aim. And here were the last three. 1, 2, 3, whatever order they went in, but I'm gonna call that good.